Want to program a flip key remote for your 2017 Chevy Equinox? It's a straightforward DIY task that can save you time and money. You'll need at least one working key fob to start. First, ensure your Equinox is unlocked, all doors are closed, and the alarm is off. Now insert your existing working key into the ignition. Turn the key to the on or run position without starting the engine, then immediately turn it back to the off position. Repeat this cycle quickly 3 times within 10 to 15 seconds. If successful, the car will enter programming mode. You may hear a chime or see an indicator light. Now, press and hold both the lock and unlock buttons simultaneously on the new key fob until doors lock and unlock. This confirms successful pairing. Remove the key. Test the new key fob's lock, unlock, and panic functions to ensure they work correctly. If you have additional fobs to program, repeat the button-holding process within 30 seconds of programming the first. If it fails, double-check your fob battery is good and that the replacement fob FCC ID is OUCG8D-38H-A for 2010 to 2013 models or newer variants for 2014 to 2017 models. Encountering problems? Common issues include weak fob batteries, nearby electronic interference, or incompatible aftermarket fobs. Always test the new fob immediately after programming. If programming fails, try replacing the fob battery or moving to a different location away from potential interference. Note that this DIY method is for 2010-2017 Chevy Equinox models only. Newer models use digital keys via the My Chevy app. If problems persist and you don't have a working fob, consider professional reprogramming at a dealership, which typically costs $50 to $100. Expert tip: while DIY programming is generally safe, incorrect attempts can drain the car battery or trigger security modes. Ensure you follow the steps precisely. Also, avoid counterfeit fobs. Verify the FCC ID on the fob matches your vehicle's requirements. As a reminder, this method relies on the vehicle's onboard computer and ignition cycling, so the key concepts of the process are ignition cycle method, fob compatibility, and safety. Finally, remember to recycle old fobs responsibly.